Got another one for you today. Yeah. Hey, look who's joining me. He already out here too. What's up, Jeff? What's going on, player? Yeah. Whew, it's slippery out here. I know it may sound a little windy, but it's good. I had to do some shoveling. Whew. All right, y'all. So today, we say goodbye. We say goodbye to the customized hood prop. Yep. I got gifts from Santa Claus. Oh yeah. Look at that. We got brand new shocks, y'all. We got the shocks. We got the struts. Cause yeah, I think one completely rusted out. Whew, all right. So hey, it's been a minute since Jeff been on the show. What's up, buddy? How you been? What you got to say? Huh? Anything? No? See? Man, a few words. Alright. My whole thought was like, I'll do one off camera. And then you guys can join me for the second one. Where's the fun in that? So. Hold up. There you go. So y'all can see a little bit where I'm at. Alright, so we got the first one done. Or the top one, I should say. Top one's undone. Gotta get that bottom one done yet. But I need a smaller screwdriver. So, pause for the cause. Alright, we're back. Focus. Hopefully. These will do the trick. Just like that. Boom. They go in a lot easier than they come out. All right, now the next one. What? It helps if you have both of them. All right, so we still need our custom hood prop. It's all good. Hey, where'd y'all go? Ta-da! All right, so the next one. Yeah, she shot. All right, so we'll get on to this next one here. See how shot that is? Damn! No wonder she wasn't working. All right, so let's get that other Hey, where? Jeff! Look at this fool. What are you playing, Army Man now or something? Got his grease gun. This ain't World War II, fool. Man, give me that back. I need that. Alright, let me wrestle this from Jeff. And we'll get on to the project. Boom. Give me that. Huh? Alright. They just fell apart. But you know what the hell you're doing. Okay, it wasn't as bad as I thought. Alright. Wasn't as bad as I thought. Still pretty bad. What? What? Yo. My hood work.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Jeff, want to go to the back? Let's go to the back. So that worked. Let's head on to the back of the Jeep. And we'll hook up the rear tailgate ones. Now that's what I call using your head, Jeff. Good looking out, buddy. All right. Hey. Bro, thought you was helping. Hold up. Can you hold it? Nope. Jeff is passed out. Hey, y'all see? Oh, busted up. Shock. Really? Ain't that some shit? Hold up. Old one, star pattern. New one, wrench. Man. Okay, so we're back for a second. Good news is, you just pop the cap off, they give you a new bolt. Bad news is, they gave me a new bolt and I don't have a deep well socket for it. I was gonna show y'all the bolt too. I think Jeff's gonna come with me too. Wanna go on a road trip, Jeff? Check it out, y'all. See? Problem is, I ain't got a socket deep enough. To the stove we go. What say you, Jeff? Road trip? Man, that fool, he's so geeked about going to the store. I was closing and taking everything up. He already in the car. I'm like, bro, we got to take care of some things in the house first before we go anywhere. He ready though? His first road trip. Look at him. He ready to freak some people out on the road. Just me and my mechanic. Yeah. Probably scare some little kids or something. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.